be there. So Adam then began to be more or less a vessel for all of these different star children to come and seed the planet. And the two welded. The indigenous peoples of this earth would always have their priestess that would hold the line and give them equal reigning authority. So remember, Adim is really similar to the word Adamah. And this is in the Sumerian. This is the female, Adamah. And Adim is plural. So Adim represents the Adamah and the Adampah. It's both. And Adamah means Mother Earth. So really, the Adam means earthlings, or those indigenous to the earth. And so the black race are, for all practical purposes, the race of Adam. Abraham, Noah were from the stars. Remember, Isaac was born by promise. Sarah couldn't even bear. So it was a miraculous thing. And what that means is that these people from the stars came by a miraculous way. They came down from the stars. And they put their seed together with the indigenous people.